Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Instacart Express to enjoy unlimited groceries with free delivery. Follow these simple steps to maximize your grocery shopping experience with Instacart. Step 1. Create an Instacart account. To get started, visit the Instacart website or download the app on your mobile device. Click on the Sign Up button and provide the necessary information, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Choose the right plan. Once your account is created, you can choose the Instacart Express membership, which offers unlimited free delivery on orders over a specific amount, usually $35 or more. Look for any promotions or free trial offers that may be available to new customers. Step 3. Select your grocery store. After signing in, you'll need to select a grocery store close to your location. Instacart partners with various retailers, so choose the one that best fits your shopping preferences and needs. Step 4. Start shopping. Browse through the grocery store's inventory by searching for specific items or navigating through categories. Add your favorite products to your cart, ensuring you hit the minimum order requirement for free delivery. Step 5. Check out. Once you have everything you need in your cart, proceed to checkout. Apply any promo codes or discounts if you have them. Make sure you select the option for Instacart Express delivery to benefit from the free shipping. Step 6. Choose delivery time. Select a convenient delivery window based on your schedule. Instacart typically offers same-day delivery options, making it easy to get your groceries when you need them. Step 7. Complete your order. Review your order details, including the total cost and delivery time, before clicking the Place Order button. After your order is confirmed, sit back and relax while your groceries are picked and delivered to your door. Remember, with Instacart Express, you can reorder favorite items quickly, take advantage of promotional offers, and explore different stores, all while enjoying unlimited free delivery. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful content on grocery shopping and other tips.